Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA, introducing our top tier Fast Prep 2022 grinder, born from over 30 years of heritage. This machine is pure Minnesota craftsmanship, compact yet with a commanding 22-inch grinding width. It's driven by a highly efficient 7.5 horsepower Baldor motor. This Fast Prep doesn't just have speed in its name, it earns it. Advanced rotary gears ensures a silky smooth operation, letting you glide over concrete and tackle up to 2,000 square feet every hour. It's swift, oh yeah. Now, at a solid 450 pounds, with 60% of its weight on the grinding head, it guarantees a superior grind and polish every single time. Durable, tough, reliable. Definitely Minnesotan. Now, for those meticulous tasks, this marvel gets as close to the edges as possible. Grinding made effortlessly every corner of the way. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the reliable carbide scrapers. Now, these are designed with care. This tool stands ready for some serious coating and adhesive removal. It excels where others falter, especially with those thick layered coatings that can be a real challenge. Now, you know the ones that are just like very thick milled, hard, and nothing else is removing it? Now, if it's on wet or dry surfaces, the carbide scraper offers adaptability and efficiency performance. Now, unique to our design, it's compatible grinders that both have clockwise and counterclockwise rotating plates. As one of the sides of the tungsten carbide blade wears, simply rotate to a fresh edge. Now, in world of concrete coating removal where no jobs are the same, this scraper is a trusted ally. We've aimed for longevity with the ability to replace and rotate the blades. We keep your work going and costs low. A blend of experience and dedication, this tool is crafted for the unique challenges of the industry. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Ever wondered why some tools dominate over the rest? Now meet our 40 grit soft bond double rhombus grinding plate. This shape, it's no gimmick. Our unique rhombus design provides 30% more surface area. That's more grind with every pass. Now it's packed with 25% more diamond content. It's built to work hard and last long. It's not just another tool, it's a game changer. Then you got stubborn adhesives or thick coatings. This plate bites in deep, making quick work of even the toughest layers. Now our soft bond formulation, it's tailor-made for hard concrete, ensuring top-notch performance wet or dry. Now it's not just about selling product, it's about delivering results. And the double rhombus, it's proven itself on millions of square feet. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the premium half-bar titanium shredder. Now this is crafted from a titanium blend. So this tool excels in adhesive and epoxy removals. So it is infused with high-grade diamonds, so expect like consistent and efficient performance. Now like thick coatings, overlays, this tool, it handles them with precision and speed. Now, compared to PCDs, our titanium shredder offers superior efficiency and durability. Now, years of research, millions of square feet done, it's one of our top sellers. Don't just grind, optimize. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let me introduce you to Chemtech's Chem 1000 polyaspartic coating. Now, it's a two-component coating with 83% solids designed with the installer in mind. Now, it's low VOZ and made to resist chemicals, abrasions, and the harshness of UVs. You can apply it with a squeegee, roller, or spray it on, whatever suits your project. You could use it on terrazzo or as a top finish in driveways. It's very effective. Now, with its consistent performance, Chemtech's Chem 1000 ensures you get the finish you aim for. It's all about durability, quality, and giving you the value for your investment. If you're looking for a reliable coating solution and something that's super, super durable, then think about Chemtech Chem 1000. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the WERKmaster Grinders. Now, the WERKmaster has the plug-and-go quick change system, and it's proprietary for their machines. So you have to purchase the diamonds they tell you to purchase. What if you feel the diamonds are not best for the concrete you're currently on and you have a diamond distributor next door that's been doing all the research and development on the concrete you work on daily? You would want to basically give them the business and use diamonds to utilize for your grinder to make you more efficient, more production per hour. With the RF magnetic series, you're not married to anybody. You could buy your diamonds from anyone you choose, and you'll notice a lot of savings. If you choose not to have as much surface area that the WERKmaster tells you to have, as much diamond tools they tell you to load up per set, you can do lesser surface area and just see that machine really fly. For more information, message me now.